Epson L1800. Epson L1800. So you might have the same problem of white line while printing. Now you can see here's a printed paper. I try to print a whole plain blue, but there is a stripe, white stripe. That's due to some of those rotators inside. I think you can see now. Okay, those small screws, those small ring, that are the main reason behind this stripe, white stripe. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to fix this. So now what you can do is you need to have a white sheet, white paper, like, but it is a little bit. So now what you need to have is a white paper. It is a bit thicker than A4 size, so make sure you have a little hard sheet, and wrap this sheet with cotton cloth. Right now I don't have cotton cloth, so I'm going to use this cotton t-shirt. So I'm going to wrap this with a cotton cloth. Let us suppose this is a cotton cloth, but this is a t-shirt actually. And what we are going to do is we are going to put this cotton covered sheet in the paper out. Where the paper comes out, we are going to place it from outside, and we are going to clean. I'm going to show you, so let's go. This is paper out, so I'm going to place this my cotton covered sheet inside here from the top, and make sure your sheet is not very thick and your cotton cloth also very thin. Now this cotton sheet, I have placed it inside, and you can see it from here. See it, you can make it equal. Okay, so this side it's okay. See, so what you need to do is you are going to make this in and out, and what you need is a petrol. This might not look like a petrol, but this is actually a petrol, trust me. While cleaning process, color came into petrol, so color transformation of petrol. And you need to have a brush which is a little bit harder. Soft is not going to work, so either you can use choline, spirit, or anything. And don't forget to turn off your machine. Turn this off completely and start cleaning. What you need to do is, you cannot see small, you can see small that wastage in the ring. Yeah, here you can see this. You just need to make sure you are going to clean every ring from here to here to here to here to all over there. And there's another also. See this side. You are going to clean this. You are going to clean this one surface, and again pull little bit down, and again clean. Repeat this process for about 20 minutes until every stain get cleaned. So it will take little much time, and then you can see, make sure you see it very carefully and clean every ring. You can just, and during that process you need to pull this in and out for about 2 or 3 times. You can see in that cloth, see, those small dots, those are the stain that makes our sheet white. Okay, so repeat this process for 30 minutes and 20 minutes, maybe 20 minutes is enough, and we'll see you again. Bye.